เขาคนมาทำเล่านะต้องมาทำสิหาขายให้ต่อไอ้ต่อหารกับพี่ไหมคะ
แบ่งหุ่นแบ่งโซ่
จ้ามาถามมาเสิร์ฟกัน
ใส่บัวบลาเอาหลายๆหน่อยยังเอาหลายๆเรียกว่าเป็นที่ข้าวเหนียวทำไมเอาไม่หมดจะได้ไม่นิดข้าวถั่วถั่วก็ติดขอซอสนะ
Okay, check it out. Coconut ice cream served in a coconut. Very popular this is around here in this temple. We're in a temple here. I don't know. There's got to be 6 or 8 people selling the same thing today. See the peanuts on it? Toasted peanuts. They're very nice actually. It's just a raw peanut that's put in a hot pan. That's a big truck. Coconut ice cream. Fresh young coconut, which I haven't gotten to yet. And carnation milk, which is always a surprise, but it's always there. Man, that's good. I don't like coconut, by the way. Oh, that's very good. In a disposable bowl, the coconut shell. The cone is pretty good too, but they put this on a sandwich. That's not good. And the bread is terrible. But this is the best way for me. No, thank you. Thank you. There's got to be 20 people here today selling lottery tickets. The lottery in Thailand is every 2 weeks. So the next one is what they're selling for now, which is a ways away. I have a friend. I was going to share with the dog, but he found somebody with a hot dog. He's gone with them. They got 4 or 5 dogs over there with them. They don't want ice cream, I guess. Here is the young coconut. You come back? Come on. Come on. What's wrong? You don't like ice cream? The black one's got problem with her foot. Huh? Do you want coconut instead? Better, yeah? Still cold, huh? Yeah, the black one. Huh? You don't want it? Only the black one. Is it good? That's right, clean it up so I don't have to. Looks like you just had babies. It's easy to make friends when you have food, huh? Even if they don't really like it. Oh, this is good, man. And the sun is just blasting now. It's cream on a hot day. Hi. You want some more? You're welcome. Oh, there it is, guys. I gave at least half my ice cream to the dog, but I do crazy stuff like that pretty regularly. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I do appreciate your time.